Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Precious Peters. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I use rice water on my hair, which helps grow my hair. So guys, stay tuned. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to know each time I post new video. And for my returning subscribers, you're all welcome. Rice water is made by soaking or boiling rice in water to extract its nutrients. You can start to see improvement in your hair in as little as 2 to 3 weeks, but it may take up to 6 months to see the full effect. Rice water has many potential benefits for natural hair, which includes hair growth. Rice water contains amino acids, vitamin B, C, and E, and inositol, a carbohydrate that can repair damaged hair follicles and restore nutrients to the scalp. 2. Hair strength. Rice water can strengthen the inner cortex of hair, making it appear stronger. The starch in rice water acts like a conditioner, laying on the hair cuticle to prevent breakage. 3. Hair shine. The amino acid in rice water can increase the hair volume and make it smoother and shinier. 4. Detangling. Rice water reduces surface friction, which can help prevent tangling. 5. It fights dandruff. Fermented rice water has antifungal properties that can treat and eliminate dandruff. It can also restore the moisture balance of the scalp and hair shaft. 6. Hair protection. The proteins in rice water form a protective barrier on hair to prevent breakage. 7. Hair elasticity. Rice water can promote elasticity in hair. 8. It controls hair frizz. Rice water can also tame frizz. 9. It controls split ends. Consistent use of rice water can minimize the appearance of split ends in natural hair. So guys, when you're done applying the rice water to your hair, you cover it with a plastic bag. Cover your hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap. Then leave it to sit on your hair for like 30 minutes. Then you're good to go. You can just wash it off. This is it guys. So guys, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, comment, like, turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. Bye guys.